Hello everybody, welcome back and thank you for joining me for another video. All right, so here you see the dried results of my last video. I don't love it. There was a lot of mixed comments in the videos. A lot of people loved it, a lot of people hated it. You know, some people were kind of in between. I mean, it dried fine. I think what kills me is, I think it was the bloodstone. Just kind of didn't go with the gold. So I will try gold cell activator again, but change up the color palette. Next time I will try it again. Maybe, you know, take out the bloodstone and do some different colors. But I'm not a fan of it. And when I'm not a fan of something, I paint over it. So this is gonna get painted over today. And for those of you screaming in the comments or at home on your couch saying, no, don't do it because I love it. Well, for those of you who loved it, you obviously didn't love it enough because nobody bought it or no one was even interested in sending me an email to buy it. So that being said, I'm gonna pour over it and don't get mad at me for doing so. Because I feel like today's colors are going to be so much nicer. Really quickly though, as you know, there's I think only 6 weeks left for Dallas, Texas. I cannot wait to get out of here from this frigid weather. I know it's not like hot, like super hot in Dallas, but it's definitely warmer over there than it is over here in Canada. So I'm super excited. I cannot wait to go teach my classes in Dallas at the Fluid Art Experience at the Renaissance Hotel. Stay tuned for this upcoming week. There will be a special video premiere on Friday, February 7th. And it'll be all of the YouTube artists that are going to be teaching at the Fluid Art Experience. And we are going to be showing you guys our pieces that are going to be raffled off at the gala dinner. So you'll get to see the piece that I create. So for those of you who've been wanting to see me do blowouts again, instead of the blooms, you're going to get to see that in Friday's video. All right. It'll be Friday, I think around 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, my video. But again, there'll be a premiere train of a bunch of us doing videos on Friday. So if you want information to come to Dallas, Texas, to learn, I'll be teaching 6 classes. You can go to www.fluidartexperience.com. I'll be in Montreal, April 12th. Teaching here in Canada, in Montreal, April 12th. Kanella Ciraco at gmail.com. If you want information on that. And then I'll be in Spokane, Washington, June 6th to 9th. And if you want information on that, there is a link to a website in the description below. All right, so I'm going to be using my same color that I did last time, which is called Soulful Blue. It is by Color to Go, and I buy this at Sherwin. I'm going to give her a mix here. So there's my nice purpley color. Even though it's called Soulful Blue, looks flippin' purple to me. Looks purple to me. Now, I changed up the color palette from this completely. I just wasn't a fan. So, we are going to... Oh, Kanella, don't make a mess. We don't like that. We are going to use Nebula by TLP. Then we have one of their new releases called Cottontail, TLP. Then I've got Graphite Gray by TriArt. Then a color I rarely ever use, but it's going to be interesting, is Sterling. So nice silver by TLP. Then I have a mixed concoction of grayish blue and titanium white mixed together to make this lighter color. And this is by Amsterdam. And then topping it off, we have another one of the new colors of TLP called Vinyasa. So those are my colors today. If you want to know how I mix and what I mix with and ratios and everything, how to make my cell activator, which is Paynes Gray by Amsterdam with Australian  you can check out video number 719. I will link it up here at the top. check out video 719. It is a full tutorial on how I mix my piggies and paints and what I mix it with and the products and where to buy them and all that stuff. So check out that video and you can do a bloom technique like me and like a bunch of other people. All right, I'm gonna put my gloves on. I'm gonna put my gloves on and I'm going to flood this canvas and I shall be right back. All right, canvas flooded. Let's put on these pretty colors and we'll see what happens. I also just mixed a fresh batch of the cell activator because I was running low. So now I have some fresh cell activator. And I believe Shelly says that, you know, the fresher the cell activator, the better. I think she said she like makes a fresh cell activator all the time, but I don't know if she still does that, but I just leave it in my Lowly Veffy bottle and give it a real good hard shake when I need to use it. And if you ever want to take the Shelly course, you know, you could learn all of this and buy the course from the Shelly Art website and you can learn everything about blooming, everything. So if you want that course, there is a link to in the description below, and I also have a discount code down below in the description. So if you want to take the course and you want to learn how to bloom and get detailed instructions and everything, take the Shelly course and get my discount because I have a discount too. All right, 2 more colors to go here. I got both doggos down here today, keeping me company. Then again, Juno's always down here, but Echo, not always down here, but he is down here today. Oh, I went to the vet yesterday to go pick up Juno's dog food. And I walked in and there was a couple at the front reception desk and they were bawling their eyes out. Obviously something bad happened to their pet. I don't know what. I wasn't about to ask. That would just be rude. But when I tell you I was ready to start crying with them, oh, it was heartbreaking. Absolutely heartbreaking. I just can't. I can't even think. I don't even want to think. I keep telling Anthony, the day these boys die, I will die with them. I can't. I've never really had pets growing up, so I've never really felt, you know, the loss of a pet. And I don't think I ever want to. I know it's going to happen, but I just felt so sad for those poor people. It was heartbreaking to watch. All right, now that sad part's out of the way, let's, oh wait, no, I can't blow it out. I need my cell activator. Duh. Oh, goodness. All right, fresh cell activator. Let's, all right, let's put the cell activator. That would have been so bad if I tried to blow this out with no cell activator. All right, there it is. Now we shall blow it out. Loving this. It's a little off-centered though, so that's going to be a pain in the butt. It's kind of this way, and then this way. So I'm going to give this a minute. I'm going to blow down into the center here. Yeah, and watch those cells just come out of nowhere. Check that out. I love it. So I'm going to give that a couple of minutes. And while it's doing its thing, I'm going to speed you guys up. I'm going to clean up over here and I shall be right back. Okay, that's been put away. This has definitely filled in quite nicely. And I'm not going to do any squiggles. So yay to those of you who hate squiggles. So I'm going to spin it a little bit and then try and get it back to the center. So let's give it a spin. I'm going to speed you guys up. I'll work on it and I'll be back when I'm pleased and finished with it. Voila! She's perfecto! Oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. This is fun. This is so, I got air bubble. Boop, pop. Oh my gosh. Look at this. I'm so glad I painted over this gold yuckiness and stuff that I did in the last video. I'm sorry. Sorry to anyone who loved it, but come on. Look at this. Oh my goodness. The colors just match so nicely together. Look at this. Wow. Wow, wow, wee, wow. Oh, I love it. I love it. I'm just putting it here in the light. Holy cow. There's some air bubbles I need to pop. I said that last time and I totally forgot. And the air bubbles were there when it dried and I was so mad at myself. So before I even forget, I'm going to pop them right now. There we go. Some people probably wonder, like, why can't you use the torch to pop the bubbles? Well, because this is house paint and we're not supposed to use a torch on house paint. So just get yourself some tweezers or a skewer or something sharp and just pop the bubbles, okay? Don't use a torch. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's so flippin' pretty. Oh, and the sterling, the silver, there's a lot of it over here. I wish there was more of it over here, but oh yeah, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, I'm going to clean up this mess and I'm going to bring you guys in for a close-up. Be right back. All right, everybody. So, all cleaned up. Let's get to this beautimus. Is that even a word? I made it up. I like making things up. But look at this. Oh, she's so lovely. Isn't she lovely? I'm a horrible singer, but it's so pretty. I love it. It's my favorite colors, next to blue, of course. But look at the cells. Like, I know it's like a little wonky there in the center, but I don't care. I think it's so pretty. So the question now is, how much is it gonna shimmer? Let's check it out. All right, so we've got the flash on, and oh yeah, there's that sterling. Oh, look at that, the blue in here. I didn't see that without the flash. That is so interesting. Oh, that really adds a nice touch, doesn't it? That is so pretty. Oh, I love this cluster of cells right here. Look at that. Ooh, another big chunk of blue right here. Oh, I love it. I'm so excited. I can't wait for this to dry. I'm so glad I poured over that other painting. I didn't like it. Oh, there's a lot of blue down here. Look at that. This is so pretty. Does that mean it's up here too? Oh, yes, it does. That's amazing. Amazing. And there you have it, my friends. I would love to know what you guys think about this in the comments below. I don't think I mentioned it's on a 16-inch round. It shall be available for purchase if anyone is interested. Again, check out the description below for all the events that I'm going to be teaching at, and the dates and the times and the links and the websites. Also discounts to Loli Veffy, Crystal Resin, you know, all kinds of things. The Shelly Art Bloom course is listed below as well with the discount. And yeah, I hope to see some of you guys in Dallas, Texas in March. And if you haven't bought a ticket yet, what you waiting for? So yeah, that's it. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below. And don't forget, Friday, February 7th is the premiere train videos of all of us who are going to be teaching at Fluid Art Experience. And you'll get to see the piece that is going to be raffled off that I made at the gala dinner on the Saturday night of the event. So until next time, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.